Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to a culinary adventure, where we'll explore how to make the iconic Bicol Express. This Filipino classic is celebrated for its incredibly rich, creamy coconut milk base, beautifully infused with just the right amount of heat. It's a comforting, flavorful dish that truly stands out, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to create a taste of the Philippines right in your own kitchen. To start our Bicol Express journey, gathering the right ingredients is key. We'll need about a pound of pork belly, cut into bite-sized pieces. Fresh garlic, onions, and ginger will form our aromatic base, preparing the foundation. For that signature Bicolano kick, plenty of fresh green chilies are essential, alongside rich coconut milk and a touch of bagoong alamang or fermented shrimp paste. These create a truly authentic taste. Now, let's get those ingredients prepped for maximum flavor. First, dice your pork belly into small, consistent cubes. This ensures they cook evenly and become perfectly tender. Next, mince your garlic, finely chop the onions, and julienne the ginger, setting aside these aromatic essentials. Finally, slice your green chilies thinly. You can remove some seeds if you prefer a milder spice level. Proper preparation truly makes a big difference. Let's get cooking. In a pot, brown your pork belly until it's beautifully golden, then remove it, leaving the rendered fat behind. In that same pot, sauté your minced garlic, chopped onions, and julienne ginger until wonderfully fragrant. Next, add the brown pork and sliced chilies, then pour in the rich coconut milk, along with the bagoong alamang. Bring it to a gentle simmer, cooking until the pork is tender and the sauce thickens to perfection. Now for the final touches. Taste your Bicol Express and adjust the seasoning as needed, perhaps adding a little more bagoong for extra depth or a pinch of salt. Let it continue to simmer until the sauce reaches your desired creamy thickness. It should be rich and luscious. Once perfect, ladle your piping hot Bicol Express over a generous serving of steamed white rice. Enjoy this wonderfully authentic and flavorful Filipino dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.